Hi, Nick here, MedTech World 2025. John Ashley, Auctus Surgical, is here with me, spreading this amazing new device, I guess, into the benefit of the lives of hopefully millions of people.
Yes, that's our goal. We really want to make an impact on the treatment of scoliosis, and particularly these young children who are affected by it, so that they can live long, full, healthy, active lives.
Yeah, with the ability to adjust, kind of inbuilt into the device, right?
Yeah, the device is designed such that after the initial surgery, the patient can get adjustments while they're growing in the doctor's office. They don't have to go back into the OR. They can get adjustments so it can be fine-tuned to treat that patient, their growth, and their spine anatomy. It's like braces for the spine.
Now, at what level or what stage are you at the moment in terms of
Well,
market
we're a
penetration?
preclinical company. We've got 3-month data using our product in animals showing that we can do these adjustments, and the product held up. So we've tested all the functionality of the device.
What's the theoretical? I guess moving on to humans. So let's give me a case study example for the life cycle. Scoliosis is appearing. It looks like a preventative measure. Please tell me.
Yeah, so this would be prescribed for a child whose spine had curved 40 degrees or more. And at that point, there's impact on their organ development, goes beyond their posture and their pain level. So the goal is to straighten that spine. So they'll have an initial surgery, have our product implanted in a minimally invasive manner so that it'll just be small incisions to put the product in, and they'll be out of the hospital in a day, back to school in less than a week. After that surgery, they'll come back to see the doctor 6 months, a year, and so forth until they're fully grown. Every time they come to see the doctor, he or she will do an exam and they'll take an x-ray. They'll assess the status of the spine, how much the child's growing, and they can make an adjustment then and there. They can take a handheld device, hold it against the child's back, and change either the length or the tension of the product so that it can grow with the child, and they can fine-tune the straightness to get the results that works for that patient.
I guess as you roll out, so in theory, there'll be surgeons will be trained in how to deliver this.
Yeah, we'll conduct hands-on workshops for the surgeons so they understand how to use the product, and how the adjustment occurs as well. The actual surgery itself is something that they're familiar with and comfortable with. We'll just give them a little practice with our device, and then they'll select the patient, do the surgery, and then do the adjustments again as that child grows. It could be, depending on the child, it could be a year and a half, every 6 months of adjustments. It could be every 9 months over 4 years, depending on that child.
And you're here, your company here to represent being here at MedTech Malta is part of the journey towards that vision, that future vision.
Yes, we're excited to engage with the ecosystem here, both from a standpoint of investors and providers, talking with surgeons and meeting with them, showing them our product.
I guess been able to, yeah, and I guess the idea is to expand. You've got your data. Next move to clinical stage, right?
We're planning on starting to treat patients next year. We will, after we do the surgeries on the first patients in a clinical trial, we'll follow them up for a couple years, collect all that data, and when we have that data, we can get a regulatory approval. But more importantly than that, to share that data and medical meetings around the globe, and start engaging with our customers.
You're doing a great job, and it is a worthy goal to work towards. Thank you for being with us.
Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Great. Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.